Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're diving into the ultimate anti-inflammatory diet. You know, inflammation can be a real pain, literally, but did you know that certain superfoods can actually help reduce it? Let's get right into it. First up, we have tart, cherries, and cherry juice. This ruby red superfruit offers more than just great taste. It contains anthocyanins, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Enjoy a refreshing glass of 100% pure cherry juice, or an ounce of cherry juice concentrate in your smoothies, or even your morning tea. Trust me, your body will thank you. Next on the list is fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation. Aim to include these fish in your meals at least twice a week for the best results. Now let's talk about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but also full of antioxidants. These little powerhouses help fight inflammation at the cellular level. Snack on them, toss them into your yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. You really can't go wrong. Don't forget about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are all excellent choices. They're rich in vitamins and minerals that help combat inflammation. Try to incorporate a handful of greens into every meal. Your body will feel the difference. Another fantastic food is nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are all great options. They're loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants. Just a small handful a day can make a big difference. Plus, they make for a convenient and tasty snack. Let's not overlook olive oil. This staple of the Mediterranean diet is full of anti-inflammatory compounds. Swap out your usual cooking oils for extra virgin olive oil to give your meals a healthier twist. Finally, we have green tea. This ancient beverage is loaded with polyphenols, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Sip on a cup or two throughout the day for a soothing and beneficial boost. All right, folks, there you have it, some of the best foods to help you beat inflammation. Incorporate these into your diet and you'll be on your way to feeling better in no time. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, So it's read to wawit sabide subscribe if you found this helpful. See you next time.